You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names of famous places, surnames, and places in Massachusetts in the US, stay tuned. Town in Massachusetts, pronounced Wellesley. Alright, so yes, don't worry about the spelling. The first two L's are essentially silent. Whereas Wellesley, so Wes, it's more like Wellesley, actually. W-E-L-Z. Wellesley. How to pronounce? Wellesley. Yes, Wellesley. Wellesley. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.